welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. This is completely unrelated to the video that I'm about to film, but I'm still on my Taylor Swift kick. I don't know who made this right here. If you have not heard it, you need to listen immediately. It's like a mashup of the 1989 era. It's amazing. Anyways, today's video is going to be me organizing my entire room. I have had this video on my list for, I don't even know how long. It's insane. I kept pushing it back because I had it at this specific date and I was gonna do it over spring break. There were so many things, but today I'm finally doing it. It is currently 12:16 p.m. I have like a 3-day weekend, so I have an extra day this weekend to do this, and I'm literally dedicating the whole rest of the day because when you see how unbelievable, it's like I'm on an episode of Hoarders. I'll give you guys a good old before and after of everything. It's so bad. I have not organized my stuff or like gone through in months. I always say I'm gonna keep it organized, like be a good cleanly person, because it's not like my stuff is dirty, it's just so unorganized. Here's the game plan. I have 3 major spaces to organize, starting off with the closet and all of this laundry here that is clean that I have yet to fold. Also, I went to Arizona. I can't even tell you how long ago, and my suitcase is still, it's unpacked, but it's just sitting out here. These drawers, literally overflowing. This is just me throwing random crap back here. I've been looking for that. Okay. There's a tripod down here. What in the world? I have some organization up here. I have shoes in here and just like accessories. This is basically random stuff, half of which, why is that there? Chopstick, too many candles, trash. Oh, this is like a moisturizer. This kind of makes sense. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, this is literally from my dentist. Thought I got rid of this thing. Forgot these slippers existed. We got some Christmas decorations. And then this is like coats and stuff and long sleeves. I think you get the gist. I don't want this to make it look like I'm not grateful for my possessions. I'm so grateful for everything that I have. I have a lot of room for improvement when it comes to taking care of said belongings. I think it's time to begin. I'm gonna take everything out of my closet that's on the bottom, and then I will go through the drawers and figure out how to organize those and what I'm keeping, what I'm gonna get rid of. Basically, I just need to take everything out. So it's about to get a lot worse before it gets better. Here we go.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Update. First of all, my part is just doing its own thing today. Second of all, I don't know if it looks like it, but I am making some progress. Allow me to explain. So here I have all of my drawers organized, workout clothes, denim, and like sweats and leggings. These are bottoms that are thinner fabric, pajamas, socks, bras, underwear, that. And then this one is school stuff for cheer and SLT and all that. So I need to put those back in the closet. This is my pile of trash and things that I want to donate or just need to go through. This is stuff for the school week that I need to set out when I'm done organizing. And then up here, I have all of my clean clothes I need to hang up, bags, hats, shoes that are nice or that I don't really wear often, other bags and other accessories, a bathing suit that does not belong here, that belongs in the bathing suit bin, in the laundry room.
Knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16. Wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never.
Hello, time for another update. My bed is made. Let me get this off here, okay? This is just genuinely, I don't even know if it looks like it, but it is so much better than it was before. I only have 2 bags down here, and the suitcase actually fits in my closet now. At the beginning of this, I said there were 3 major things I wanted to organize. You just saw the first, the closet. The second of the 3 is this area here, especially these drawers. This one is not that bad. Like, it should not take me very long to do this. It's literally all the college letters I've gotten. I've just stuffed into there. This one is like, I literally have trouble getting it open, so that's problematic. For some reason, I have all this graph paper, and then the random stuff over here. This I just need to like move over, and then the charger situation. So this should not take me too long. Hopefully it'll be quick, and then I can move on to the bathroom because that's probably the worst. Let's do it. Okay, it is time now for the bathroom. I think I said this earlier, but this is probably the grossest part. Just the whole, again, I need to take this off the tripod, 1 second. Brace yourselves. It doesn't look that bad, but it's just like nasty, you know? This is a bunch of random stuff I don't use, so this probably won't take me very long. And then I have up here and the stuff in the medicine cabinet. So I think I'm just gonna take everything out and then go from there. On my bed. The bathroom is pretty much all clean and organized. I just have to get my makeup stuff out, but I'm not gonna take it out because I already have to keep it packed for tomorrow. Anyway, I do have this pile of stuff, but I'm gonna go through this a little later tonight or tomorrow because it has like my addresses on some of the trash and everything like that, which I don't want to show on camera. Addresses, I only have 1 address. That sounds very bougie. It has addresses on it. You know what I mean. Anyways, all that to say, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if this is gonna end up being a long video, short video, whatever, but I don't know if you can see, but there's like this black film around my lips, and I have no idea what it is, and I've been trying to figure it out, but I cannot. So if you see it, don't even like look at me talking. Okay, I'm gonna play it again. It's just, I don't know what it is and it's bothering me. But I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you did, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and let me know if you guys wanna see more fun like at-home videos like this that are different from vlogs in the future. And I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.